Alright, great then. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to construct a pentagon using the golden ratio method. Now the first step is to divide our given side. You need a given side for this method. To divide our given side into two and draw a perpendicular line from the center. So how do we do that? We draw two arcs from each side. The distance of the compass does not matter, it just needs to be extended past the center, and that's going to give us these 2 points right there. Now we need to take our ruler and we need to line up those 2 points and draw a line straight through them to the top. While we are here, we can also draw a line that goes straight up from the two sides of the given side. The next step is to take our compass and put it on the right side of the given side and draw in that arc right there. Now we need to go to the center of this line, extend our compass to that point right there, and draw another arc that goes down to the right. Then we just extend our given side until we have an intercept point at that line right there. Now we can go to the left side right there, extend our compass all the way to that point that we have just created, this one right there, and draw a arc all the way to the top. Keep our compass at the same length, go to that side and do the same thing. Now we can start constructing the corners of the pentagon. So we're going to close our compass so that it is the distance of the given side, and we are going to make a mark on those two big arches that we have just created. So that will give us this point right there and this point right there. Now we go to those 2 points and we construct two more arches that intercept, and that will give us this point right here. And now we have all of the requirements, all of the corners of a pentagon. So we can just go connect them all with A-type lines, and there is our final pentagon. Hopefully this video helps. Good luck with the exams.